Hi guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper of Saturday. Well, it's actually not Saturday today, it's today Sunday. Saturday, but it's the newspaper of Saturday, February the 27th, 2021. Yes, and on Sunday we do not receive any newspaper, so I've decided to solve the other four extra Sudokus, and this one will be the last one, and this will be number 2, 3, and 9, 8. Alright, 2, 3, 9, 8. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 printed digits. Alright, so let's get started. The first question, can we see here the single box? I see here the single box. Single box is always a 1. Dual boxes, yeah, here a dual box, 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. Here also a dual box, 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. Here also a dual box, 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. No triple boxes. No, we see here the quadruple box. 2 boxes left for the numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and a 3. Alright. Alright, so let's get started. Alright. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 4. This box cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. Alright. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means I have here a dual box with 1 and a 2. I cannot place a 1 here, otherwise I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this is not the solution, the 1 here. The 1 should be there. Yes. 2 boxes left. 1, 2, the 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and a 5. These 3 boxes surround the 1, cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Then, yeah, these 3 boxes surround the 2, cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, I need a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the dual box, so I cannot place a 2 there, otherwise I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this is not the solution, the 2 here. The 2 should be there. Yes. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 3, cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, this construction, this box is the same as that box, and I cannot place a 1 here, otherwise this box should be should then be a 1, and here we already have a 1, so this cannot be a 1, this should be a 2. So this box is connected with that box, so this should be also a 2. So this box should be a 1. Alright. Those 3 boxes cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that in this dual box, I cannot place a 2 here. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this should be a 1. And this should be a 2. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. This box cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Now we have a 2 here. So this box cannot be a 2 anymore. This box should be a 2. And this should be a 3. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 1. So the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this area for the number 4. Alright. Those two boxes cannot be a 3. So 2 boxes left for the 3. Could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 5 cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. This box cannot be a 2. This box cannot be a 1. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left in this area for the number 4. And this shape or construction, this number, this box has the same number as that box. So this should be also a 4. Alright. Let me see. Okay, those 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Okay, 2 numbers left here in this big area for the numbers 3 and 4, 3 and 4, 3 and 4. All right. Yeah. All right. This box cannot be a 4. We have a 4 already used. So it cannot be a 4, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 5. So this box should be a 1. Alright. And this box is connected with that box. I've told you earlier, the L shape, yes. So this should be also a 1. This should be a 2. 2 numbers left for the numbers 2 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, alright. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Okay. These 3 boxes surround the 5 cannot be a 5, but also that box cannot be a 5. So one box left for the 5 should be here. 2, 5. Okay. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Alright. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 goes together with the 3 as a pair. We have a 1 here, so this box cannot be a 1 anymore. This box should be a 1, and this should be a 3. 2 boxes left for the 4 and a 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and a 4. These 3 boxes surround the 1, cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be a 2 anymore. This box should be a 2, and this should be a 4. Alright, 2 boxes left, the 5 and the 3. We have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 3 and a 5 are left. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. This box. Wait. 1, 3, 4, 205. 205. Okay. Need to wait. How about this box should be a 4 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, should be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. This box should be a 5 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Alright. 2, 3. This box cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. these two boxes cannot be a 1, so one box left for the 1 should be there. Alright, and this box is connected with that box, so this should be also a 1. Alright, and this box is connected with that box. Okay, so two numbers left, the 3 and the 2. Let me mark those two boxes. Okay, and these two boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, we have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This box should be a 2. Alright, 2 and a 3, it cannot be a 2, so it must be a 3 here. Alright, 3, and it's connected with that box, should be also a 3. So two numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4, we have a 1 here, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. One number left in this W shape for the number 2. Alright, these two boxes cannot be a 3, so one box left for the 3 should be there. Two numbers left, the 1 and the 4. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This box should be a 1, and this should be a 4. Alright, 3 and a 4. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 3 numbers left. One of the missing number here is the 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. Two numbers left, the 3 and the 5. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be 5 anymore. This box should be a 5, and this should be a 2. Alright, this box should be a 2 because it cannot be a 1. Should be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 2. Two numbers left, the 5 and the 4. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Alright, 1 and a 2 are left. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. I've marked those two boxes with a 2. Now we have a 2 here, so this box cannot be a 2 anymore. This box should be a 2, and I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. Two numbers left, the 5 and the 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Alright. Great Tectonic with 1 star, and I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you on Monday. Have a great weekend. Bye bye.